Give me 5 minutes and I'll be out of here.
It's gone to the market, but the problem is...
Yeah, maybe I do. There you go. Look at that, didn't even touch the high curve. Bye-bye. This is a tag. It's only for tag. No, that's the taxis ones. Didn't get a ticket this time. Oh. But people go right away. And here we go again with another video, guys. So today I already done a delivery, so as you can see on the back is one missing. I got a little bit of the gap, which I normally don't have, and I loaded this like that because that was the best way to load it, so I figured. But there's many ways to do it, it's up to you how you do it. So point, because this is a heavy one, I like to strap it down like to the point locations, like where it's meant to be going. So I done that, so I'm happy with that. So if I get stopped, everybody's happy. But anyway, I am gonna be making my way to Huddersfield, and the place I'm going is a little small, which is it's like a market, but it's in the city center. So I'm gonna go and get in the truck. I just having a 50 now and trying to ring the people that are meant to be taking a tube, but I don't know why, for some reason nobody's answering. The office is closed and it's a market, but I need to know where I am taking it. So try to ring somebody now before I even get there. It's just a place where to park, because it's in the city center. It's not that easy to get out. I mean, to get in and even get out. And not even that. Sometimes, where am I going to tip it? Where is it going? It's going to the market. But the problem is, in the market, it's a lot of places where it's going. So I need to find out where it is first. So this is the place where I'm going, which is right there. As you can see around there, this is walking paths. It's no trucks in there. So I've been trying to have a look like in these corners like that to see if I can go in there. Nope. If I stop an example there, it says there, like clearly says there, no stopping, loading between 8 AM to 6 PM. Actually, yeah, I can stop there. It stands for 6 taxis as well, so taxis can go there as well. None of this looks like taxis to me. So that's just right outside, and I put a postcode in here, so this gives me that street. I have to put the postcode for that, bang, and that just makes it easier. We gotta be there. There's no other ways to get in, so I just gotta get out of here. So let's go. It's dust. As soon as the sun comes out, you can see the dust everywhere. That's not the way out. We all do it different ways, I guess. Which is oh, I see why he didn't get out here this way. Alright, okay. Some steering axle should help on that. Should be fine there. There you go. Look at that, didn't even touch the high curve. Bye bye. So let's go. It's a lot of cars, a lot of people. It's nearly 9 o'clock and kids are going to school, so it's not gonna be the best, but hopefully when we get to the city center, gets a little bit more calm. What am I gonna do? You in already? Come on, go past. It's alright. Just walk in front of the truck. You're just gonna get splattered. To be honest, to be a truck driver, you need to have a lot of patience. Not just because you're driving a big truck, which, yeah, you should be patient, but you get a lot of people like this guy or this girl just standing in a no stop box or crisscross or whatever you want to call it, just that yellow boxes that got like stripes just around there everywhere. I think that's the one. Does it say tag? It's only for tag? No, that's the taxis ones. I think the one that I want to go to is further up. Go on, lad. Alright, that's the disabled parking. So that's the no. So that's the disabled one, and this is the loading one. Now, loading from 8 AM to 6 AM. I come up with an idea. Am I alright there? Yeah, some cars can't get past. Alright, if I go anywhere, I just put my beacon lights as well. I'm out of the way there so cars can't get past, so I'm trying to ring the contact again.
Press 4 for anything else. Thank you.
We get in there. Put me on hold now. So he's going to find out the person is going to be able to help me out to go on delivery. And then I go for a gander because...
Hello, John speaking.
Hi mate, I'm just ringing up because... Alright, the lad's coming down to me now. And that is much better. So what I gotta do is just plan this now. Yeah, maybe I do. I think I do. So crack on with this now. The lad's coming down. That's it. Actually, it's not been the worst place I have been. So I am really happy with this. So the guy just come out, and all I gotta do now is just take this down. I got a little bit of space on the back, so that is grand. So I'll do that. Let's find out if it fits another little gap there. It just fits right. So let's get in. That's all yours, mate. All I gotta do now is just take a couple of pictures of that, showing all the notes and stuff. So alright, they're happy with that. Alright, put this ramps up and then we get going, then we leave this beauty. Alright, this guy, what's your name?
Adam.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, mate.
I watch your Instagram all the time.
Nice one, mate. Give me 5 minutes and I'll be out of here.
No worries, I'll just keep all that now.
I should be done by then. See you in a bit then. Ta-da. Your straps away. Let's get out of here though. Plenty of space. I get out of here. That's 2 trucks that want to get out of there. It's gonna take at least another couple of minutes to come around, so while it's doing that, I just look where I'm going, which is around here. It's a lot of people in here, so I gotta be mindful about that. Okay. Didn't get a ticket this time. Oh, that's fine. Oh, this city's man. Oh. People go right away. Alright, okay. Alright, okay. Woo! That was enjoyable. That was really enjoyable. That's not a way to cross, pal. Well, hey ho. Oh, love, don't jump him. You're right there, pal. Okay. I'll be honest, the only thing really annoying me at the minute is how much traffic there is in this little place. Best way, yeah, get this girl a little bit of space so she can get out. No, that lad there. Come on, lad. That's it, mate. All right, okay. Best way, cash and carry. now. I just take that off, find out how long this guy's gonna be, so I know on the way. Fire it up. Short top. Always crying this thing. That should give me enough space to get out. Always need to turn it off. Always horn needs to go on. I'm gonna change that today, and I'm gonna get into that because I had that there for a while and I actually want to use it, and yeah, don't like this one no more. Oh god, nearly there. There we go. All right, so that is ready to come out. I might put it next to that one there. That didn't work out. Oh, that hit me in the face. Ow. I have to put myself down a bit because otherwise it won't go down. I like to be on this side, so I just track myself with the lines in the floor. Well, not on the floor, on the trailer. It's always gonna beep. Should do. All right, okay, back out. Anyway, I'm gonna raise it up so it's not on the way anymore. So I thought about it, so put it right up, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push a bit to that side as well, so this arm is not on the way. So exactly like that one, which is a really good idea doing it that way. So all I don't want to do is just hit that. That should do, and that is out of the way. Ha! Just need to take pictures now. Put all this away first. And ramps up. Last one. Nearly done now. Lift my axle. Take the pictures. But obviously, take the lead first. Close that. Like gently closing this. Never does. I gotta clean the car walk as well. Lift, mobile phone, take pictures and go. I'm taking the pictures of everything, and I just God, I need to take one of the baskets as well. So that's a little bit of waste of time, but it have to be done. So basically I got one more collection to do and I should be done for the day and then back there. So I put myself like I'm en route, which I will be in the next 3 minutes, and then just find out Nationwide Hiring. Haven't got the name of the company there, so I'm gonna have to make a phone call again. That's fine. So like I said before, ramps up, clean bed, that's going up now. I did press it before, but it didn't go up. And then I take all this off and then I get out of here. So I'll see you in a bit, kid. Okay. All right, okay. I am making my way to Bury now. Yeah, I got the name of the guy here, so I'm gonna ring him up. So Nationwide Hiring Solutions. It's not, that's not the one that I'm gonna ring him up now. Out of the private roads, I need to put my seatbelt. Oh, somebody was calling there. I just get out of here, so let's get out of here first. I'm going to Northeast London tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna have to do this, get loading and getting down the road again. Easy. It's not suitable for HGV, so I have to like get to one place and then turn around and get to there and turn around. It's the turn here, and it says not suitable for HGV. And the sun now was trying to let people pass, mate. Go on past this. All right, let's see. We can do it. There's plenty of space in here, guys. I really don't get how this is a 40. Hi, mate. I'm down here now.
Down the road, and then there's a right hand side, there's dirt track on your right hand side.
Yeah.